This is the Car Host Academy, back again with another banger of a video. In this one, I'll show you how to use the VIN hack to see if your car can be listed on Turo without having the Carfax report to check the information. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button now. Okay, first you need to click on Vehicles, and then on this screen, you will see the tab that says List Your Car. Click on that tab and it takes you to the next screen. On this screen, you will enter the location that your car is picked up or dropped off at. For example, your home, office, or public address. Then next, you will enter your VIN number. I am using a random number as an example that I found on a used car website. Enter the VIN and you should get information here that matches the car you found. Next, press confirm and then enter the mileage of the vehicle. Since the miles on this example was around 71,000 miles then, I will choose the 70,000 to 80,000 miles option. Then choose if it's an automatic or manual car. Next screen, you want to select the Yes option in order to proceed. You should then see the app think for a second, and if you get this gold screen as your next screen, then it's a 99% chance that your car is able to be listed on Turo. However, if you get this screen with the hazard cones, you may as well stop here and pick another car. Turo will not allow under almost no circumstances for that car to be listed on their platform. Choose another vehicle and don't waste your money. There are rare occasions that this can be corrected. Once in a while, Carfax will have the odometer mileage reading listed incorrectly in their system, and this will cause the car to be unable to be listed. If you have documents proving the actual mileage of the vehicle is correct on your end and not Carfax, you can contact Carfax directly to provide them the documents, and they will sometimes correct their system. And once that shows up in their system, you may be able to list the vehicle on Turo then.